Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Spices and Flavors by Shobha. Today's video is mixture, a very tasty delicacy that is usually prepared for Diwali. Please do give this a try. I have shared the link of each of the dishes in the description box below, though I have explained here also. So the first recipe that I am going to do for the mixture is Tengulal, the recipe of which I have already uploaded on my channel much before. I will be sharing the link of that in the description box below. Please check it out. In any case, I will just tell you in just what all I have added. For the urad dal powder, you just have to dry fry the urad dal, then powder it in mixie and sieve it. Okay. 1 kg of rice flour and half kg of urad dal powder. A mix of these two will form the Tengulal powder. So out of that I am taking a very small quantity. You have to take 5 cups from that. For that I am using a very small cup. I have taken 5 cup of that. A teaspoon of jeera, hing, 1 tablespoon of butter, required salt, and now we are going to mix it with water. So the Tengulal dough is ready. So I will be using this plate for the Tengulal. We have to grease outside of this and inside of this. I have already kept the oil. When the oil is hot, we will press it into the oil. The oil is hot now. I press it into the hot oil. So we can take this out. This is over. Don't flip it to the other side immediately. Leave it for 2 minutes and then flip it. So Tengulal is over. For the quantity of dough that I had taken, I have got so much. So for making the mixture, we may not need the whole quantity of Tengulal. You can just take little from this and add it to the mixture. For mixture, next I am going to prepare the benne murukku or the butter murukku or the chakli, the recipe of which I have already uploaded on my channel long back. In fact, I have uploaded 3 types of chaklis or the murukku recipes. You can check those out on my channel under the playlist. Also, I shall share the links of all the 3 in the description box below. So let me just tell you as a recap what all I have added here. So for the butter chakli, we need 1 cup of rice flour and half cup of moong dal powder and half teaspoon of urad dal powder. Here you have to dry fry the moong dal and then powder it and sieve it. Likewise, you will have to fry the urad dal, dry fry the urad dal and then make it into powder in the mixie and sieve it. So after mixing these 3 flours, that is the rice flour, the moong dal powder and the urad dal powder, this becomes our chakli hittu or the benne murukku hittu. Out of the mixed flour, you have to take 4 cups. Any cup will do. I have taken a very small cup. Out of this cup, I have taken 4 cups of the mixed flour and 3/4 cup of butter and a teaspoon of jeera, little hing and required salt. So we will just mix it with water. For this I am using this plate with a single hole. I will mix the dough adding water. So the butter murukku dough is ready. We will press it into the hot oil. You can use the same oil. The oil is hot now. We will press it into the oil. I told you I have uploaded 3 recipes of murukku, different types of murukku. You can check all the 3. So whichever you find it very easy, you can prepare that for the mixture. We can take this out. So here butter murukku is ready. From the dough I had mixed, I got so much. So maybe I'll use little quantity of this for the mixture from this. Next item that I'm going to prepare for the mixture is omapudi. This recipe also I have uploaded long back on my channel. You can check out from the playlist under festival recipes. Otherwise I'll add the link of the recipe in the description box below. Please check that out. Today I have taken a very small quantity, about a cup of besan or the gram flour, half teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of asafoetida, salt. Be adding 1 tablespoon of hot oil. This 1 teaspoon of ajwain or omum, which I had soaked in water for 2-3 hours, ground it in the mixie with water and filtered it. So this is the ajwain water. This also I will be adding. Please be careful while adding the ajwain water. If you add too much of ajwain, the omapudi will be bitter. The dough is ready for the omapudi. I will be using this plate with the small holes. We will press it now. So omapudi is also over. Very little quantity may be required for mixture. The rest you can have it as it is. So the next item that I am going to be making for the mixture is kara bundi. This recipe also I have already uploaded on my channel long back. In any case, I will be sharing the link of that in the description box below. Yet I shall tell you what all ingredients I am using now. So 1 cup of besan or the gram flour, just half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, salt, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, half teaspoon of hing or the asafoetida, and just 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda. So this I am going to mix all these, adding water and bring it to a consistency like the dosa batter. See, the batter is ready. This should be the consistency. So for making the bundi, I am going to use this ladle. So here it will be smooth and here it will be a little rough. The bundis will fall into the oil very beautifully. If you don't have this, no problem. You can always use this also. The only problem is this will be very small and there are no edges here. So you may find it a little difficult. The oil is hot now. You can see. Now we can take this. After you put this in oil, you will have to completely wipe this or wash it. So the kara bundi is also ready for the mixture. So the next item I will be showing you the preparation of ribbon pakoda. We will see the recipe now. I have taken 1 cup of rice flour. This is store bought. Half cup of fried gram powder, that is, you all know what is fried gram. This is the fried gram. This is the fried gram. I have taken half cup in this fried gram, powdered it in the mixie and then sieved the powder. Half cup besan or gram flour. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. This one. I will add 1 more tablespoon. This will be quite spicy, but it will be very good. So you add 2 tablespoons. About a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Required salt. One tablespoon of butter. That is all. So we will mix all these with water. The dough is ready now. See, it's quite bright orange because I have added a lot of chili powder, about 2 tablespoons, but the taste will be very good. I will be using this plate for ribbon pakoda. So as usual, grease the outside of this and grease the inside of this. Oil is hot now. I have filled the dough into this. We will press it into the hot oil. Press it carefully. We will take this out now. I will put the second batch. See, the oil has already turned orange because of the chili powder that I have added. This is the last batch I am preparing. Don't flip it immediately. Keep it in medium high. Flip it to the other side now. Time to take this out. So the ribbon pakoda is over. Fresh oil I had taken for kara bundi. In the same oil I am frying all these. I have taken this. This will be very easy to fry small things like peanuts, fried gram, etc. Now the oil is hot. I will be frying peanuts. I have taken about a quarter cup of peanuts. You can take whatever quantity you like. It depends on the quantity of mixture that you will be making. Here I am taking quarter cup of peanuts. These are done now. Next I will fry the fried gram. Fried gram also I am taking about quarter cup. These are also done. So next I will be frying dry coconut, that is copra. These are also over. Next I am frying the cashew nuts. Finally I am frying the poha. Poha I have taken about half a cup. See, after frying the poha, the oil will turn almost black. In any case, I will be discarding the oil. After switching off the stove, you can fry the curry leaves. Be careful when you fry the curry leaves. That everything is over for the mixture. The final step to mix everything. So first what I will do, I have taken a very big vessel here, broad mouth vessel. To this I am going to add the fried poha or dawal and all these peanuts, fried gram, cashews and the copra. See, I have not added any chili or salt to this. For all the other items, that is the ribbon pakoda, oma pudi, everything, I have added the sufficient chili powder and salt. So to this I am going to add chili powder. You add according to your taste. I am adding about 2 teaspoons. Required salt for this. And asafoetida. So now we will mix in this. We will add very little oil to this so that it will mix properly. So now after mixing this, we are going to add all the other items. One by one I will add. You don't have to add a lot of all those. Just little of those will do. So after mixing in everything, you will get a good quantity. I'll add the ribbon pakoda. I'll just break them into small pieces and then add it to this. See, I have broken them into small pieces and adding so much. You can add according to your desire. Next, I'll add mullu murukku, benne murukku or the muthusaram. So now I am adding the benne murukku or the mullu murukku. I am adding the broken omapudi now. Next, I'll add the khara bundi. So I am adding little khara bundi. And next the tengodal. There is no measurement as such for adding each of these. Everything according to your desire. So as I told you, I had already added salt and chili powder to few of the items already. So I did not add. If you still require, you can add. That was the reason I added only to poha, peanuts and other things. So now what we do is, we will have to give it a good mix. You can put it in a big vessel Mix it properly and then your mixture is ready. See, if you find it very cumbersome to prepare all these items to prepare the mixture, what you can do is you can skip a few of the items. You can add only the kara bundi, the om pudi and the rest of those. That is the poha, the fried gram, cashews and copra. Finally, after adding all these, we will add the fried curry leaves and put it. So the mixture is ready. The very tasty, yummy and a delicious mixture is ready. Please do give this a try for this upcoming festival Diwali. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel Spices and Flavors by Shobha, and also click on the bell icon and click all, as you will be notified whenever I upload a video.